do you think's inside, buddy?
Dinosaur! It's gonna be
Dinosaurs?
a dinosaur. Let's open it. Here's just some of the dinosaurs that are on it.
SavyandJackTV.
Thank you for watching SavyandJackTV. Today we have a dinosaur surprise egg candy review.
It's time to open, guys. You want to check out what's inside?
Yeah, sure.
This one looks exciting.
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat mine first.
Oh.
And you like dinosaurs, right, Savvy?
You do.
I think the chocolate's broken.
I don't know. It might be a surprise inside.
Oh yeah.
I
Wow.
need chocolate.
Those look pretty cool.
I need chocolate.
They're chocolate eggs.
Uh-oh, more chocolate.
Oh no.
Ooh, that broke pretty easy.
Oh, they're little candies.
Dinosaur candies?
Yeah, they're all dinosaur
Oh, more
babies.
candies. This is a pretty cool
The
candy
chocolate's
review.
good.
What do you got, buddy? You gonna try the chocolate?
Baby dinosaur.
All right, try it, buddy. Try the chocolate. Let us know what you think. How's it taste? Wow. So is there a toy inside? Or it's just more candy.
It's just more candy.
And it's shaped like dinosaurs?
Yeah.
Yay!
Want to show the camera one of those candies? Show the viewer.
I'm going to T-Rex.
Wow. That's your favorite, right? T-Rex?
I like chocolate. Wait,
You like chocolate, buddy?
we got brontosauruses and I got raptors. But they're all different kinds of shapes of dinosaurs.
Yeah, all different ones, right?
Yeah, but then if you get one that looks one,
Think
they're all
there's a
the same.
Triceratops in there?
They're all the same.
And I guess the different flavors. What flavor do you have? Don't eat the chocolate, just try the candy part. Let us know what kind of flavor. I think you have cherry, lemon, watermelon, or blueberry. Oh, actually mango, not lemon, mango. That sounds good. Want to try the second box?
I cannot tell the flavor because of the chocolate.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, throw one to me. I'll try one.
I know.
Throw one.
I think it's cherry.
Yeah, that one's cherry. Pretty good. Sweet. Alright. Uh-oh, we're going to do the second box now. Oh, boy.
I'm tired mine.
We'll get so much chocolate. I wonder which other ones we got. Which other dinosaurs would we get?
I hope I see a Triceratops.
Oh yeah, they're my favorite too. The last one I just opened it and it's smushed.
Oh.
It's Triceratops!
Yeah, that's what we have? Awesome. What color is it?
I got the same kind of candy though.
I don't
Oh, it's cherry.
Yeah, but here's Triceratops. For
Wow,
the
that's cool.
What?
Oh, he has green.
He has more brontosauruses though.
What flavor do you think the green one is? Watermelon? Or I think it's the blueberry. Or a blackberry. I don't know. Oh, I'm sorry, blue raspberry. It might be blue raspberry. Try it.
And more
Triceratops.
Jackson likes the chocolate. What do you think, Jack? Give a thumbs up? You like this candy? Plus,
It was not me.
all right. You like it too, huh? Uh-oh.
Candy overload.
Candy overload. Don't eat too much. No belly aches.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Or a chocolate a day keeps the doctor close.
Yeah, that's a good one. All right.
This one and this one probably.
And it also got stickers, huh?
Yeah. I got this one and
I didn't know
this
there were
one.
stickers inside the
Me
box.
either.
That's pretty cool.
And then he got this mine or his, no, it's his. He got T-Rex and well, it's all mixed up. He got some him.
Wow,
Here's
so
the
you got
stickers.
chocolate, hard candy, and also sticker surprise inside.
Yeah.
That's a pretty good one. I like this Wonder Ball.
He gave me one of his. I'm going to try it. Thank you for watching SavyandJackTV. Please subscribe and thumbs up and always share.
And more videos coming soon, right guys?
Yeah. Subscribe, click on another video to watch more SavyandJackTV.